Welcome to a very special video. Today, we're diving into the world of mind-blowing innovation and unveiling the top 10 unbelievable gadgets that will change the way you live. From Sony PS5 game controller to Corsair flexible TV, this is a journey you don't want to miss. So, let's get started. Number 1. WeHead GPT Edition. The WeHead GPT Edition is a cutting-edge AI gadget that stands out for its unique approach to human-AI interaction. Priced at $5,000, this device is equipped with a physical face, allowing users to engage in face-to-face conversations with AI-generated personas. This innovative feature sets it apart from traditional AI devices, as it aims to create a more human-like interaction experience. One of the key purposes of the WeHead GPT Edition is to assist users in various aspects of their lives. It is designed to help individuals explore their thoughts, express themselves, and navigate their emotions. By providing a platform for self-reflection and emotional support, the gadget seeks to enhance the overall well-being of its users. Moreover, the WeHead GPT Edition is positioned as a tool for improving social and learning experiences. It is intended to help users hone their social skills through interactions with the AI persona, and it also aims to transform the learning process into a more interactive and engaging experience. These features make the gadget suitable for a wide range of users, including those seeking emotional support, social skill development, and interactive learning opportunities. In terms of its technical capabilities, the WeHead GPT Edition is equipped with UHD LED screens, a motorized neck that allows for natural movements, and spatial voice recognition. These features contribute to creating an intuitive and emotionally engaging AI interaction, setting it apart from traditional voice-activated AI devices. Number 2. Sony PS5 Action Control Customizable Kit. The Sony PS5 Action Control Customizable Kit is a comprehensive accessory designed to enhance the gaming experience for PlayStation 5 users. This kit offers a range of customization options, allowing players to tailor their controller to meet their specific needs and preferences. The kit includes features such as trigger extensions, thumbstick covers, and swappable back buttons, enabling users to optimize their controller for comfort and improved gameplay. One of the key features of the Sony PS5 Action Control Customizable Kit is its trigger extensions. These extensions can be attached to the controller's triggers, providing an extended range of motion and improved responsiveness. This feature is particularly useful for games that require precise trigger control, such as first-person shooters or racing games. Another aspect of the kit is the thumbstick covers. These covers can be swapped out to provide a variety of textures and grip options, allowing users to choose the most comfortable and suitable option for their gaming style. This customization option caters to individual preferences, ensuring that players can enjoy a comfortable and immersive gaming experience. In addition to these physical customization options, the Sony PS5 Action Control Customizable Kit also allows users to manually adjust trigger travel distance and customize vibration intensity. These features offer a high level of personalization, allowing players to fine-tune their controls to suit their individual playstyle and preferences. Number 3. Ancient Ritual Arc Sauna. The Ancient Ritual Arc Sauna is a state-of-the-art in-home experiential sauna that offers a range of holistic health treatments. This innovative sauna integrates therapeutic infrared heat, mood lighting chromotherapy, and high-fidelity surround sound audio to deliver a multimodal therapy experience. The sauna's design is characterized by its minimalist aesthetic, with options available in natural oak and Japanese hinoki cypress, creating a serene and relaxing environment for users. The sauna's 360 degrees infrared heat is designed to provide deep, penetrating warmth, promoting relaxation, stress reduction, and physical recovery. Additionally, the mood lighting chromotherapy feature aims to enhance the overall experience by using different colors to create a soothing and rejuvenating atmosphere. The inclusion of high-fidelity surround sound audio further contributes to the immersive and therapeutic nature of the sauna, allowing users to fully unwind and engage their senses. Ancient Ritual's Arc Sauna is also equipped with a lounge chair that reclines up to 150 degrees, providing a comfortable and ergonomic seating option for users. The sauna's construction, which includes hinoki cypress and linen-upholstered side panels and cushions, reflects a commitment to quality materials and craftsmanship. further enhancing the overall relaxation and wellness experience. Number 4. Coop Backyard Chicken Coop. The Coop Backyard Chicken Coop is a modern and innovative solution for individuals interested in raising their own chickens. This smart coop, developed by a startup founded by AJ Forsyth and Jordan Barnes, offers a range of features designed to make the process of raising backyard chickens more convenient and enjoyable. The first-generation smart coop comes with a chicken house, a wire fence, lights that can be controlled remotely, and a set of cameras, providing a comprehensive and connected environment for the chickens. In addition to the physical components, the company also offers services like chicken sitting, aptly named chicken tenders, reflecting a commitment to supporting chicken owners in various aspects of care and maintenance. The coop is designed to hold 4 to 6 chickens and is equipped with a custom-fit poop tray, demonstrating attention to detail and user-friendly features. The coop's focus on providing a smart and connected environment for chickens aligns with the growing demand for backyard chickens, which has risen in response to various factors such as the pandemic and inflation. The coop's integration of technology, such as remote-controlled lights and cameras, reflects a commitment to offering a modern and convenient solution for individuals interested in raising their own chickens. Number 5. Lenovo Project Chronos. Lenovo's Project Chronos is an innovative motion capture system that was unveiled at CES 2023. This concept represents a significant advancement in the field of motion capture technology, as it does not require a dedicated wearable device. Instead, Project Chronos utilizes an onboard RGB depth camera to capture users' movements and beam their avatars into virtual worlds. The system is designed to vividly capture full body motion, including facial expressions, eye movement, and mouth movement, without the need for a headset or other wearable devices. The device, a medium-sized gray box powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core processor, is equipped with an RGB depth camera that can be adjusted to capture specific angles and turned inward for privacy. It also features a remote for navigating menus when using the device from a distance. The goal of Project Chronos is to create immersive virtual and hybrid experiences by accurately capturing users' movements and translating them into lifelike avatars within virtual environments. One of the key aspects of Project Chronos is its versatility, as it is intended to be used for a wide range of applications, including virtual fitness, vlogging, gaming, and virtual walkthroughs. The system aims to provide users with an unconventional and immersive experience that mimics their natural movements, offering a gateway to the metaverse for various types of 3D digital experiences. While the specific release date, final product name, and pricing details for Project Chronos are still under development, Lenovo has expressed its commitment to further demonstrations and the ongoing evolution of the system. The company's focus on creating a wearable-free, camera-based motion capture solution reflects a broader trend in the industry toward more accessible and user-friendly technologies for virtual and hybrid experiences. Number 6. Somi One. The Somi One is a wearable MIDI controller developed by Instruments of Things, a German music tech company. The device is designed to allow performers, musicians, and dancers to create music through movements. The Somi One consists of Bluetooth motion sensors that can be attached to wrists, ankles, or other body parts, a smartphone app that acts as an interface and a receiver hub, and a set of sound presets that can be generated via the app or any instrument or music software that is compatible with MIDI. The Somi One's motion sensors are highly precise and can measure movement in real time, allowing users to create music through a range of movements. The device is intended to provide a new and innovative way for performers to interact with their music, offering a more immersive and engaging experience. The Somi One is also designed to be versatile, with sound packs such as nature, ambient, or club available via the app, and the ability to expand upon these presets. The Somi One's development reflects a broader trend in the music tech industry toward wearable devices that transform the way we control music. The device has been met with enthusiasm from musicians and creators, with a successful Kickstarter campaign and ongoing support from the music tech community. In addition to its musical applications, the Somi One has also been the subject of scientific research. The Caenorhabditis elegans, Somi One zinc finger protein, has been studied for its role in promoting regulation of development by the miR-84 microRNA. While the Sony One wearable MIDI controller and the Sony One zinc finger protein are not directly related, the name Sony One reflects the device's ability to capture and translate movements into sound, similar to the way the Sony One protein regulates development through microRNA. Number 7. Razer Project Carol. Razer Project. Carol is a revolutionary head cushion concept that combines integrated near-field surround sound and high-fidelity haptics to create an immersive gaming experience. The device aims to enhance the comfort and functionality of gaming chairs by incorporating advanced audio and tactile feedback technologies. Key features of Razer Project Carol include near-field 7.1 surround speakers. These speakers deliver high-quality sound, providing a rich and vivid audio experience. Haptic feedback. The device uses Razer's HyperSense technology to create an immersive audio experience, allowing users to feel the action in the game. Compatibility. Project Carol is designed to be compatible with all gaming chairs, including Razer's own Isker and Enki models. Battery life. The cushion includes a dongle that provides up to 8 hours of battery life via USB-C charging. Razer Project Carol has already won several awards at CES 2023, including the Innovation Award and Best of Show Award, indicating its potential as a proof of concept. While the device is currently in the concept phase, it has generated excitement and interest in the gaming community. If developed further, Razer Project Carol could become a unique and innovative gaming accessory that enhances the overall gaming experience for users. Number 8. Neubi Self-Driving Delivery Robot. The Neubi Self-Driving Delivery Robot is an autonomous mobile robot developed by the South Korean startup Neubility. The robot is designed to provide last-mile delivery services in urban areas, with a focus on improving efficiency and reducing delivery times. The Neubi robot uses V-SLAM technology, which allows it to perceive its surrounding environment and generate a 3D map, enabling accurate position estimation even in high-density downtown areas. The Neubi robot has been tested in various parts of South Korea, including Songdo International City, Incheon, where it was the first delivery robot to autonomously drive in the city center. The robot has also been tested in Spain, where it was used to provide autonomous mobile robot-based delivery services in downtown areas. The robot has been well received, winning a CES 2023 Innovation Award in the Smart Cities category. Neubility has ambitious plans for the Neubi robot, with a goal of rolling out 400 LiDAR-free delivery and security robots by the end of 2023. The company has also partnered with KT, a South Korean telecom giant, to develop autonomous mobile robots for various applications. Additionally, the Neubi robot has been tested by global convenience store giant 7-Eleven, which has begun a test run of the robot for delivery services. Number 9. Holoride Retrofit. The Holoride Retrofit is a compact device developed by Holoride, a company specializing in extended reality in-vehicle entertainment. This device is designed to make any car Holoride ready, regardless of its make, model, or year of manufacture. The Retrofit weighs less than half a pound and is roughly the size of a smart speaker, making it a portable and versatile solution for in-car entertainment. The Holoride Retrofit is a motion streaming device that senses the car's motion and position and transmits this data to a VR headset, enabling motion-synced, in-car VR experiences. The device is equipped with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that provides up to 14 hours of operation on a single charge. It also features Bluetooth connectivity via BLE, Bluetooth Low Energy, and a GPS sensor to ensure accurate motion tracking. To enjoy the full experience, users need the following: a Holoride Retrofit, a Holoride subscription, a VR headset compatible with Holoride's technology, a controller compatible with Holoride's technology. The Holoride Retrofit is currently available in Germany, Austria, and the US. It can be purchased as a standalone device or as part of a bundle, which includes a VR headset, a 1-year subscription to the Holoride platform, and a safety strap. The standalone device is priced at $199, while the hardware bundle is available for $699. The Holoride Retrofit represents a significant advancement in in-vehicle entertainment, offering a unique and immersive experience for passengers. By synchronizing VR content with the motion of the car, Holoride aims to minimize the effects of motion sickness and provide an engaging and entertaining experience for users during their car rides. Number 10. Corsair Flexible Monitor. The Corsair Xeneon Flex 45W QHD 240 is a groundbreaking gaming monitor that features a bendable OLED display, offering a unique and immersive gaming experience. Here are the key features and details of the Corsair Xeneon Flex 45W QHD 240. Bendable display. The monitor's most distinctive feature is its bendable OLED display, allowing users to adjust the curvature of the screen from completely flat to an immersive 800R curve, providing a customizable and immersive viewing experience. Specifications. The monitor boasts a 45-inch OLED display with a 3440 x 1440 resolution. Gaming performance. The monitor's high refresh rate, rapid response time, and HDR support contribute to a smooth and visually stunning gaming experience, allowing users to enjoy fast-paced gameplay with exceptional motion clarity and vibrant visuals. Immersive experience. The bendable display and high-quality OLED technology aim to provide an immersive and visually captivating experience, making it an ideal choice for gamers seeking a more engaging and enveloping gaming environment. Connectivity and compatibility. The monitor offers a range of connectivity options and is compatible with adaptive sync technology, ensuring seamless and tear-free gaming experiences. It also features anti-glare and low blue light technologies for enhanced viewing comfort. Price and availability. The Corsair Xeneon Flex 45W QHD 240 is available for purchase at a price of $1,999.99 USD and is currently sold as a bendable OLED gaming monitor, offering a unique and innovative display technology. In summary, the Corsair Xeneon Flex 45W QHD 240 represents a significant advancement in gaming monitor technology, offering a bendable OLED display, high refresh rates, and exceptional visual performance, making it a compelling choice for gamers seeking a more immersive and customizable gaming experience. So this is it, guys, the top 10 gadgets you should know about. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Also share this video with your friends and family members. See you in the next video. Bye.